Okay, Leanne, we're going to start this by going over your alphabet. You know how to do that? I want you to point to the letters as you say them and then point to the picture. Okay, let's do the first one.
Apple.
A apple, but let's do it like this. The first one together, okay? A apple.
Apple.
We're still on A. Now I want you to do it.
A apple. B bicycle. C cat. D dog. E elephant. F fish. G goat. H horse. I igloo. J jaguar. K kangaroo. L ladder. M mailbox. N nest. O ox. P pencil. Q quarter. R rabbit. S snake. T tiger. U umbrella. V vegetable. W window. X X-ray. Y yo-yo. Z
I want you to point as you're saying them.
Z
So start, go back at X.
X X-ray. Y yo-yo. Z zebra.
Okay, very good. So you know that one. Do you know this? This side?
No.
Okay, do you know your blends? Blend is when there's two letters together and they make a sound. They make a different sound. So do you know these? What do you think this?
The.
Okay, the TH makes a th. Or sometimes what does it say? Z. I want you to say and then say z. Use your voice. Z. Put your hand here. I want you to feel it. Z. Do you feel that there? Now I want you to say. Can you feel it? Can you feel it here?
No.
No, you can't feel it, right? Good. How about this?
Shh.
Shh. I want you to put your hand here. I want you to feel. Shh. It's quiet, right? How about this?
Ch.
Good. How about this?
Wah.
Wah. Okay. Great. So you know these. Wah. Do you hear your voice
Nothing
there?
back
Do you feel
here.
your voice? Look, Leanne, put your fingers there. Do you feel your voice when you say wah? Wah. Wah.
Yeah.
You feel it, right? Okay. We are going to read together. Let me get your copy. I'm going to take some notes while we're reading, okay?
That's my.
This is going to be yours, and I'm going to use this one because I'm going to write on it. Okay, we're going to start in a minute. I'm going to take some notes.
What are we doing
We're
again?
going to do. We're just going to read because I want to know how you're reading your words. Now, when you read, show me what good readers do. What do good readers do? Yeah, they read with their what?
Hand.
They read with their finger, right? You read with your hand, or you read with your finger. You read the word that your finger is on, don't you? And you follow along, okay? Point to the title of this passage. There's a title. Can you read that for me?
The wonder of seed.
Of seed.
Seed.
You said seed. How about this S down here, back here?
Seeds.
Seeds. Good.
Seeds hold the secret of new life. New plants grow from seed. Seed come in different size and shapes. Some are tiny, white. Others are large and heavy. Seeds are
Carry.
to new place in different ways. Words they have a chance to grow and
Develop.
A seed become a new plant. Whenever the size or shape, all seeds can become new plants. Some seeds are found in flowers, and some plants a fruit surround the seed to protect it. Some fruit break open, letting their seed fall to the ground where they can begin to grow.
Okay, I want you to follow along with your finger. Remember that? Okay.
Into new plant, a seed grow into the same kind of plant that is come from it
Parent?
parent's plant.
Okay, keep going. That's a tricky word. Do you know that word? Good.
Germination.
You want me to help you? Okay. It's called germination.
Germination.
Germination. That's just telling you how to say it.
Is a special word that means a seed had started to grow. On the next page is the
what was that word again? Germination. Let's stop for a second. I want you to clap that word out. Germination. Clap it. You know how to clap out a word?
Germination.
Look at me. Look. Ready? Just look at me. Germination. How many claps?
4.
4 claps. Now I want you to say it with your clap while you clap.
Germination.
Okay. Say germination.
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 Very good. It's a hard word, isn't it? It's a hard word. Okay. Okay, keep going. We stopped here, right?
Chart.
Let's read from the beginning of that sentence.
On the next page is the germination chart.
Okay.
You can read about how a seed becomes a plant. First, a tiny root break out.
Okay, when we read, we'll read this. What does it say to do? Okay, yeah, go ahead.
First, a tiny root break out of the seed. The roots grow down into the soil. It takes in water that it needs to grow. Next, a shoot grows out of the seed. It grows up toward the night.
Can you try that word again?
Where?
Toward the what?
Toward the light.
Light, good.
Which it need to grow. The short becomes the stem of the plant. Soon, leaves will grow on the stem. The leaves makes food for the plant. The seed is now a new plant. Seeds
Use
and
your fingers when you read, okay?
how they divide
and how they travel.
The seed chart shows 6 different seeds. Each seed has its own way of traveling to a new area where it can grow in the earth.
Okay, let's stop there for a second. What does the word travel mean? Do you know? Do you know what that word means?
No.
Travel means to go somewhere different. Sometimes you can travel small distances, like, look at me. Travel to, like if you're traveling to school, how do you travel to school?
Like you ride a bus?
You can ride a bus, you can be in a
Drove
car,
or walk.
you can walk, you're traveling, okay? Sometimes you travel far places, like when you came from China, right? You traveled far. Wait, do you remember how far that was? It was a long plane ride, wasn't it?
And then we had to sleep in the plane.
That's right, because it was you traveled for a long time.
It was like 4 hours.
I think it was more than 4 hours. It must have been
8 hours.
It must have been like 14 hours. That was a long time, I bet. Okay, so that's what it means to travel. When you're traveling, that means you're going somewhere new. Going somewhere. Okay?
Do you know when it's the birthday?
Whose birthday?
Me?
When's your birthday?
Try to think it.
Try to guess. I don't know. When is it?
January 18.
It's coming
And
up,
today
isn't
I
it?
have a cupcake.
Oh, are you going to bring me one? You are?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope so. I'll be sad if you don't, Leanne.
To a new area.
Okay, I want you to follow along with your finger, though, okay?
The 4 minutes ways
hold on. Go back to that word again.
The four main ways that seed travel are by being eaten by bird and small animals, blowing the wind, bursting, or flying,
or floating.
Across water.
Across water. Okay.
Ants can eat plants.
Yeah, ants can eat quite a lot of things.
They want to eat, so they take our clones.
They take our